Just finished cleaning this roof here. As I cleaned it, it had a lot of mold on it. Lots of it. Moved it. It's a little stained, but that's what mold does. It will stain the roof. You have to wash these at least once every 8 months, I would suggest. Maybe 6 months when washing the state, at least on the Olympic Peninsula. I'm going to wash the sides now. We're here at Peninsula RV in Sequim. This thing is huge. It's really nice though. So Facebook, YouTube, or the World Wide Web. Put in Port Angeles-Sequim first. Then put in the Car Wash Man. Pop right to the top. You can check out Facebook page. Dozens of referrals, references. YouTube, hundreds and hundreds of videos on both Facebook and YouTube. And shows cars, motorhomes, interior of cars, interior of motorhomes. Have a great day.